Hey guys, on this video, we're going to answer this question. Is it possible to send automated birthday message to my clients in Go High Level? If you're ready, let's begin. First thing is you need to log in with your Go High Level account, or if you're using OneFunnel, log in with your OneFunnel account and then go to automation. From the automation, I want you to click create new workflow and then select a recipe. Recipe is another word of workflow template. Once you're in a template, I want you to scroll down and you will see here recipe birthday template. Click select and here you go. So this is the templates that we created. Now, so before we begin, I just want to run down the automation so that you will have idea what will be the automation like. So as we all know, trigger birthday reminder, it means that this automation will only run if this is your customer's birthday. Now, assuming this is your customer's birthday, they will receive a text message from your business. Hey, customer's name from your friends at your business name. We hope all the days of your life will be as great as you are to us. May you have a wonderful birthday. So, what I want to highlight on this text message is that we focus on the personal relationship. Like you didn't send any number one, you didn't send any offer, you didn't selling something. You just purely greeting them. Hey, it's your birthday today. Happy birthday. That's it. Now, we're going to put a trigger here, a waiting time of reply within 24 hours. So we're going to wait for the customer to reply. If they reply, that's the time we're going to make an offer. So if the customer reply within 24 hours, we're going to say, as it is your birthday, we have amazing 20% discount for you. Please let us know if you're interested. So this is like you're not offering anything. We're going to wait for the customer to reply if they are interested to get our 20% discount. So again, the purpose of sending a birthday automations is to build a long-lasting relationship with your customer. So just imagine this: you're a business owner and you know their birthday and you're genuinely sending them a birthday greeting. So this is so amazing, right? So now if they reply, it means they're interested. We're going to ask them, do you want 20% discount? If they reply within 2 days, so this is the waiting time, reply to this message, timeout, it means 2 days. If they reply, we're going to send them, awesome, here's our calendar link to book an appointment. You can send a website link or maybe a form, maybe a calendar. We will put the link over here. And then if they didn't reply within 2 days, we'll send no worries. It's okay, right? So the purpose of this birthday greeting is to genuinely, as I mentioned, genuinely greeting them to build a long-lasting relationship to your customer, right? So anyway, one thing that I really want to add here is email. So as you can see on the template, it's just built a text message, right? So they will receive a text message. However, on this video, I'm going to share with you on how we're going to add an email or maybe a messenger. So let's begin. Excited. So the first thing is let's have a template. Let's go to my Canva first. I already searched some templates over here. I would choose, will have this one. So I like this one. And then I'll just put your business name.com. All right. Maybe I add the logo. I'll just type logo here. Okay, maybe this logo. Like, so you just add your logo over here at the top. And here you go. You have a beautiful cards and then save or download. Then after that, let's go to our automations. Let's go back to the recipe birthday template. Now, what I want is to send an email. So click the plus sign over here. then type on the search action email, send email. Now, so let's type the one funnel from, let's type your business name here. You can put your business name. For this demo, I'm going to put one funnel. From email, this is your email. And subject line, I already have a template here. So this is my template that I created. So I'm going to copy this one. So copy this subject line, and then I'll just change this so that this will be more personal. Happy birthday, and your customer's name. Just click this tag or custom field, what we call. Click contacts. Contacts means your customer first name. Okay, so you will see here contact's first name. All right. So if you're going to read this, it will be happy birthday, customer's first name. Happy birthday, John Doe. Happy birthday, Maria. Okay. So this is just one way to interpret this one. All right. Now let's go back to my email here. I will just copy this one and then edit later on. All right. So again, I'm going dear. I don't want to use dear. I say hi, and then your customer's name, again, custom value or custom field, click contact, and then first name. So hi Joey, hi John, hi Maria. On this special day, we want you, on this special day, we just wanted to take a moment and celebrate you. May your birthday filled with better, with joy, laughter, and all. And then I want to add photo in the middle. All right. I want to put a photo in this section. So click this, add image. And then next is click upload. Select the image. And I want you to type alternate text and say birthday card. Okay. And then save. And here you go. We have the the email. And then continue. Thank you for being valued part of our community. Let's type your business name here. So go to the custom value, go to the account, and then name. So this is the location's name. So this is your location's name. So your location's name is your account's name, location's name. So this is your business name, or you can type manually your name. All right. So thank you for being a valued part of your of thank you for being a valued part of our location's name. So this is your business name. You can do it manually. You can type your business name here, but for me, I love to use custom value because it will be easy for me to edit in the future if there's a changes, for example. But anyway, to make it more personalized. All right, now save. So we're good. And then, so that's how we're able to create birthday and email. So the next one, as I promised, we're going to send a messenger message. So messenger is for Facebook. I want you to remind that Facebook have its own policy of sending message or bulk message on messenger. So the customer must be have an interaction with you within 24 hours. So 24 hours grace period, you have the opportunity to send a message or you can send an automated message. However, if the customer, there's no interaction within 24 hours period, therefore, you cannot send because they will not receive any message from you. You have only 24 hours. So what it means that if we're going to put this message, we're hoping your customer is actively messaging you through your messaging app. Because if not, they will not receive this. However, that's okay because you already have two other platform that, way of sending a message. You have a SMS and then an email. So it's good, right? So this one will just copy paste the message that we have from the SMS. Hey, Joey, from your friends, business name. We hope all the days, so same thing, same message, right? So I'll just click save. So what will happen now if it's your customer's birthday? They will receive an SMS, they will receive an email, they will receive a messenger message, and then we're going to wait for 24 hours. If they reply, we're going to send as a SMS text message. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you very much for joining us. And before we end this video, I just want to invite you, if in case you don't have a Go High Level account, we have a 30 days free trial at the bottom of this video or the description or in the comment section. Just simply click the link. And once you click the link, notify me that, hey, Cap, I joined your affiliate link, and you will be exclusively join our weekly webinar and our community on how to use Go High Level. Most especially, I know for people that are first time to use Go High Level, it will be overwhelmed. However, this is your platform. I'm sharing every single day a coaching and tutorial on how to use Go High Level. And you find it helpful, please consider subscribe, like this channel, and of course, follow me on social media, One Funnel and Social Media Expert. That's it for today. Thank you very much and see you on the next one.